If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate those interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your connection speed using a speed test website or app. If your connection is weak, consider using a wired connection or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any applications running in the background that may be using system resources. To do this, press the Home button, navigate to the game or app you want to close, and select the X button to exit. Step 3. Update your system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, then select System, and choose System Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Step 4. Adjust your game settings. Some games allow you to adjust graphics settings or performance modes. Check the in-game settings menu for options that may help reduce lag, such as lowering the resolution or disabling certain visual effects. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve performance issues. Hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart. This can help clear temporary files and refresh the system. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes on your Nintendo Switch and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.